when you're on a road trip, make sure you get the gift box, Love, Celebrate, and Sweet Choice on Amazon with lots of goodies. Says, we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart for making this purchase. We are a small family-owned business, and every order makes a difference. Thank you. And this is what's inside the box. We got some cookies and some crackers and some pretzels. We got candy, lollipops, bags of peanuts. So if you're out on a road trip, make sure you get this, and I will share the link.